Hello student and welcome to your online classes. So today video is your half-yearly exam revision first. So this video only from revision English grammar, not English literature. So only 10 question I have given to you in this revision. MCQ types. This is the format, how the paper will come, and very few chapter I have given. So you don't worry about the syllabus. I will send you. So whatever I taught you, you just revise it and fill the exercises and read the chapter from the book also, because from inside the chapter also I have make the questions. Okay, and exercise also you see it. So I hope you are practicing at home also and learn also. So next video I will give about your English course and I will give you a syllabus also. So don't worry it and just learn it. This week only we will practice it about the revision, and whenever we get the date sheet, so we will send you. So don't worry about the date sheet. So you just practice it all that subject and especially learn the question answer, words meaning and summary also. So in this grammar also, chapter 1 to 10 I have practiced it more than 10, but I will tell you soon which chapter will come. You don't worry about that. So whatever the revision I given, I will give you, so you practice it at. Okay, so now we start our revision. So these are your contain the chapters. You practice chapter first to 10, and the verb also you practice it. Okay, and the sentences, subject and predicate, these are very short chapters. Number, gender and case, and degree of comparison. Articles also very short chapter, so you practice it these all chapters. Okay, this chapter is about the sentence. I given the some questions like when we want to express our thought, or we use a group of words, a group of words that make complete sense, what is called. So 4 options will be there. You find out and fill the correct answer. You practice this one also. Sentences, how many sentences are there, and structure learn it, kinds of sentences. Note also learn it. Read all this chapter carefully. Okay, one side you see that your exercises also, this one already you have done it. Okay, so you practice it all this. Second chapter about the subject and predicate, you also this one wrap up, they also read it. This exercise also read it. This is not new for you. Naming words also, this is not new for you. You practice it is like first we see noun. A noun used to denote the name of person. We read it, kinds of noun. Okay, these things you learn it. These things not new for you. Please practice it. Learn the all definition, examples, whatever the definition given in the nouns, you just practice it. Okay, and singular, plural, countable nouns, and this exercise fully. Okay, these exercise chapter 4 noun. Number, what is a noun number, singular, plural one. Learn the how the format this full format, you practice it at home. Okay, learn it, because given any one question from this one book also, so you see all the plurals and this plural exercises also, this one. Okay, this one also, and this the noun, gender, this is also very short. Practice it this one, learn it all the masculine, feminine, these all. Only 4 pages this one for practice, and this one also. Okay, then what is the noun case, this one also I taught you. You practice it. If you any doubt any chapter, you just tell me, I will explain you again. This one also practice it. Okay, this one also practice it. And next active also, this all. what is the predicative uses, some correct uses of that. This exercises. Okay, degree of comparison, and this all degree of comparison because I given sentences to you. Okay, this one practice it. You learn in this chart. This exercise also do it. This one also. Okay, articles also. This all the revision. Okay, articles, this one uses of articles and what are kinds of articles, three types of articles, a and the, and what is the name, definite, indefinite, two types of that one, definite or indefinite. If the if the option is given definite, indefinite, so you fill it that one. If asking about how many kinds of this one, then you write down 2 or 3. This one you just practice it. I given one exercises also here, so you just practice it and do in copy. Learn this all. Okay, now this is your exercise, your revision, which you have to do it. I gave an option to you. You do in your revision copy. These things not new for you, so see the book and do it. Okay, I hope you understand that all these things. So practice is all the chapter first to 10, and verb also you check it. Okay, this overview 3 and 2 don't look at because in this chapter I have not given this one about the writing and this all, but only first to 10 I have given, so you just practice that. Okay, I hope you understand. This is your syllabus first to 10, and the verb also you learn it. Okay, I hope you understand. Now do this revision in your copy and learn it. Next video again I will give you revision, and I taught before this video I taught you about the verb, denoting verbs, present one. So we'll do later that one. We will do this practice in this week, and whenever we get the date sheet, so I will tell you soon. So you just don't worry about the date sheet, you just learn it. Okay, and you do your part well, and very soon your date sheet will be also come. Okay, all the things will be available in your Educare app, so don't worry and don't ask me again and again. So just practice it whatever I'm telling you. Okay, so 1 to 10 you grammar one you practice it and the verb, and the next video I will give you from the course book, that one also I will tell you. Okay, so till then take care.